Dancehall acts delivered exceptional performances at the 2022 staging of the Wireless Festival. The event saw the likes of Skillibang, Shensi and Popcorn gracing the stage at the National Exhibition Centre venue in Birmingham on Friday. Mr. Universe star ignited his UK fans as he performed his hits Wap Wap, Crocodile Teeth, Badman, Hot, among others. Dancehall artist Shensi also performed songs from her catalog. The two-weekend-long festival saw the three dancehall acts taking the stage with other headline acts including Wizkid, Dave, Summer Walker, and Little Sims. The Wireless Festival is a rap and urban music festival that takes place every year in London, England. It commenced on the weekend of July 1 to 3 and ended Sunday, July 10. Now, the concert returned to three locations in England, in Finsbury Park, Crystal Palace, and NEC in Birmingham. Saint International star models recently strutted the runway at the Paris Haute Couture Week. The event saw Jamaican supermodel Kai Newman and her Saint sisters, Nigerian supermodel in the making Tomiwa, and Martinican stunner Aurélie Girard making the shortlist of the world's top models who showcased the latest designer collections for high-end fashion houses, which include the likes of Balenciaga and Valentino. Now, the model opened Balenciaga's 51st couture show, which featured A-list celebrities and guest models including reality stars. Girard shared with E-Prime that she was very honored to be the chosen one to open the show, and it was even more special as it was her first haute couture show. Meanwhile, the Paris-based Nigerian star was booked for Victor & Rolf's fall couture collection titled Power Dressing, a fashion show in 3 acts. She also appeared on the catwalk in look 20. Saint's resurgent supermodel Kai Newman also touched down in Paris for a new spring 2023 collection. She closed out her runway bookings last Friday in Rome for Valentino's creative director's latest haute couture collection that was presented on the stairs of the Square of Spain. The fall 2022 haute couture collections are presented from July 4 to 8. R&B singer Chris Brown is making waves on the international scene with his latest album, Breezy. The artist has dethroned The Weeknd with the most charted songs on Billboard's nearly 10-year Hot 100 R&B song start. The accomplishment comes after 9 new entrants from his latest album, Breezy, which improved his career total to 79. The RCA Records released album debuted number 4 on the all-genre Billboard 200, selling over 72,000 equivalent units in the first week. On Friday, Chris Brown released a deluxe version of his album featuring 9 new tracks. Breezy features collaborations with Anderson .Paak, Davido, Lil Durk, Jack Harlow, Lil Wayne, Ella Mai, Fivio Foreign and Her, among others. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for E-Prime.